Oh, it's much more responsive. The 2.2 diesel is very torquey. You won't expect it to be this brisk. Overall fit and finish is nice. You have soft touch points throughout the cabin. Hey guys, we're here inside the all-new Kia Carnival, and this is the key, very sleek, and the buttons are actually on the side. This is your lock, unlock, and your trunk release. You also have your buttons for the side doors and your remote start as well. Feels premium to the touch as well. So to start it, just place the key inside and push the start stop button. So this is a 2.2 diesel engine, and it is fairly quiet inside. Turn on the air conditioning. There's this touch panel right here. You also have your rear climate, dual zone automatic climate control, and you have this very nice infotainment system, very responsive actually. You also have your quiet mode right here, and I believe this is also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable. Okay, you have your automatic headlights here as well, and overall fit and finish is nice. You have soft touch points throughout the cabin, and the armrest is nicely padded. You have this large center console with seat ventilation, electronic parking brakes, this traditional gear selector, wireless charging right here, three USB inputs, and a cup holder right here. You also have this nice large center console right there with two cup holders for the rear passengers. So let's take this van for a drive. This is the top of the line variant, but you still get the analog gauges right here. The NVH is good on this van. No wonder people are buying this for the comfort. Like, imagine having road trips in this van. It's so quiet. Now granted, that audio system is really loud, but riding on this brick road, you barely feel a thing. The ride quality is also good. Soaks up the bumps pretty well. Alright, so we are now driving it here on the mini test track that they have here. Slalom test. Very planted, and the steering is light.
Journey 5-door is equipped with SRS airbags that deploy to protect the vehicle's passengers.
Turning radius is okay, it is fairly tight. Power is good. So we are demonstrating a parking system right here.
Yes, sir.
So to put it in reverse, there's a backup camera with parking sensors, I believe. Fairly high resolution. Drive modes, let's switch it to sport. Oh, it's much more responsive and fast. Yeah, there's a lot of body roll because this is actually a minivan. So. But the power, wow, the 2.2 diesel is very torquey. You won't expect it to be this brisk with the size of this minivan. Alright, so that was a quick drive off this Kia Carnival, a stylish minivan actually. No wonder there's a lot of demand for these kinds of vehicles because it's very comfortable, and when you want it, just flick it in sport. It goes so fast. So to turn off the car, just press this off button. To put it in park, just put it in P, and electronic handbrake, and turn it off. There you go. That was a POV drive off the Kia Carnival. Sorry. just a quick one. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.